Chef Ricardo juice bar channel. Cucumber juice today on the menu. Alright, so this is what will happen. Gonna simple cut it up into some small pieces. I'm using fresh cucumber because that's what I love to use. Really nice and smooth and nice, guys. So, piece of fresh ginger. Straight inside of it. I'm using a medium-sized cucumber. I'm gonna remove the skin from the lemon. And then I'm gonna simply remove the seeds. Just like this, and I'm gonna put straight on it like that. And then what I'm gonna do, put some water inside of it like this. Natural. You don't need nothing inside of it. Just wanna keep it just natural and real like this. So we're gonna be blending this about 4 to 5 seconds. Very easy recipe. Cucumber juice. (95% of cucumber is water. See? Nice and lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. So what you can do, drink this every morning before breakfast. Alright? So what you're gonna do now is simple pour it out inside of a glass. And let's drink it. That's exactly what you're looking for. Cucumber juice with no honey, sugar, just natural, real and authentic. Alright guys, so this is exactly what you're looking for. Really nice and lovely. Thank you so much for tuning into Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas and a lot more things that are coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Look at that, just amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Look at that, that's amazing guys. Really fantastic and nice. As you can see, fresh cucumber juice. There is nothing inside of it. I want you guys to just drink this every morning and I empty stomach. Take the time out to say thank you so much guys for watching, and please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.
you.